Welcome to our kitchen, where we are going to create a decadent treat for family. Today, I'm challenging myself to whip up the most delicious chocolate Leches cake you've ever tasted. The depth of flavor that chocolate adds is undeniable, making it a perfect twist on the classic recipe. We'll be using evaporated milk, heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, chocolate ganache and coffee to create a special chocolate milk mixture. The magic happens when we soak the cake in our special chocolate milk mixture. This is where the flavor really intensifies. The delightful cake is not only moist but also packed with chocolatey goodness. The indulgence in cake and chocolate milk mixture will leave you wanting more. That's it. You've seen how easy it is to make a chocolate Leches cake. If you give this recipe a try, be sure to let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other dessert videos for more delicious ideas.